Hello Insiders and welcome back. I'm Jackie and I am the style and beauty contributor here at the Kingdom Insider, and today I have some very exciting stuff to show you guys. I have the Harry Potter beauty and makeup collection. So I have a few things here and a few more over here. I'm also going to be doing a tutorial on how I am styling the shadows and using them. So I can't wait to show you guys everything. First off, let's start off with the scrunchies. So these are the hair accessory kit. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm very excited. It has one for each house in them. So you have the Slytherin, very cute. Gryffindor. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this at the park. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so fun. We have Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. They are all so very fun. I can't wait to get my hands on them and use them by going to the park. I also have the Bravery, Determination, Bravery, and Courage Gryffindor makeup bag. So it says Gryffindor on the back. It's got this fun tassel pull. And on the inside, oh my goodness, it's so cute. And that's what it looks like. It is silk on the inside there, so it's gonna be so great to use. The next thing I have are the brushes. They are the Deathly Hallows brushes, and each one, this one says the wand, the stone, the cloak, and this one says the Deathly Hallows. You also have here Howler. This is the lip gloss. This one is Expecto Patronum. And this one is more of a matte lip crown versus the gloss. I wanted to get one in each so that way I could kind of see which one I liked the best before I bought more. I love a good gloss, but in Florida I do tend to like more of a lip crown just because I feel like it doesn't get as sticky. I also have the Gryffindor Eye Palette. Lots of fun colors there, definitely Gryffindor colors. And I have the Hufflepuff palette as well. I love the colors in this one, so I decided to go with this one as well. Even though I'm not a Hufflepuff, I'm a Gryffindor. So with that in mind, for today I want to use the Gryffindor Eye Palette. Kind of get a feel for the colors, and as well use the brushes. So I'm going to be using the wand brush to put the color peach all over my lid. Oh my goodness, these brushes are amazing! And so far the colors are blending beautifully. And the next brush I'm going to use is the stone. And I'm using Pure. It's going to be this one right here. Put that one up in that brow bone area. I always think highlighting the brow bone areas is very important, especially if you're going to use darker colors like these ones. The next one I'm going to be using is the Mandrake. It can be the bottom pink tone right here. Putting that right there in the crease. Blending it out a bit. The next color I'm going to be using is going to be Howler. It's this one right here. It's got a nice shimmer to it. I'm doing that one right on the outer corner here, adding that pop of color. So last color we are going to be using to blend our entire look together on our eyes is Passion. It's a nice Gryffindor gold right here. Definitely gives you that spirit of Gryffindor. Blend that all over the lid to blend in those colors. And there you have it. So there's my eye look. Next, I'm going to be using the lip crown. Definitely glides on very well. And you still get a little bit of that shine like you would be wearing a gloss. So there you have it. There is the unboxing of the Harry Potter collection from Ulta, as well as a little bit of a makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!